another unique sauce that you could add to your repertoire, and this is called mole sauce. Now this has a very rich Mexican history, but I've adapted it to my own needs, obviously, because, you know, I'm a Canadian gal. So I have 2 tablespoons, 30 mils of olive oil just warming in this pan. I'm going to add 1 large chopped onion. We're going to get that rolling. I have some salt and pepper we're going to add to this. Maybe, you know, to taste, but about a half a teaspoon, 2.5 mils of salt, maybe a couple cracks of pepper. We're just going to get that going. Okay, it's starting to sizzle. This is my homemade chili powder blend. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon, 15 mils of chili powder. This is what makes mole the best ever sauce for me. I'm gonna add chocolate, and this is just baker's chocolate. I've got 2 ounces. If you don't have baker's chocolate in your cabinet, just find a chocolate bar anywhere. We're gonna get that starting to melt. So keeping in mind that a regular chocolate bar is going to have sugar in it. So the peanut butter I'm adding has sugar in it, so just keep in mind that you don't want it too sweet. So here's peanut butter I'm going to add. It's 1/3 of a cup of peanut butter, so that's 80 mils. We're going to get all of this melting together. And so far it's so simple, isn't it? Okay, that's melting beautifully together. So now this is just a regular can of diced tomatoes. We'll mix all of this up. And then we're going to blend it into a very beautiful and smooth sauce. So we're going to do that pretty quick. So we've pureed this up with our little hand blender, and now it's like a beautiful rich sauce. You could use this sauce in place of gravy in anywhere you want. So if you wanted to roast a turkey, you could do this as a gravy. But right now I have just fried up chicken thighs. So I'm going to just smother these chicken thighs with this beautiful sauce. And it's going to be so amazing. So there you have it. It's such a beautiful sauce. So this sauce goes good with any kind of poultry. So you could do turkey meatballs, you could use it with roast turkey, any kind of chicken dish. So I really hope that inspires you.